Okay, we've got a good one here. Something to cheer us up during lockdown. I think I know what it is. It's not so much a delivery, but a time capsule from our good friends at Tops Match Tax. Thank you for sending this. It's like a Russian doll. Get the scissors in. We'll get there. It'll be worth the wait. Trust me. I know what this is, and it's big. Aha! Here we go then. Merlin Premier League stickers, 1997. Chris Allen. Don't remember him. Robbie Elliott. Now we're talking. Let's get into this. Scissors in there. Okay, first little cool little package they've given me there. Little box. Robbie Elliott. Topper Niall Quinn. Merlin 1997 stickers. Originals. Steve Stone. Frank Clark. David Unsworth. Sturridge. The bottom of an Arsenal player. Alan Moore Borough. That's the bottom of a Leicester player. Oh, the King. Long live the King. Amazing. Original 1997 Merlin Premier League stickers these are. Leeds United shiny. Neil Lennon. Southampton shiny. Ken Moncow shiny. Righty. John Henry. Kevin Pressman. Keeper sticker. That's cool. So let's have a look at this Chris Allen box. Once again, thanks to Tops for sending these. Original stickers from back in the day. I'll explain a bit why I've got them later. Chris Allen, you get a bit of trivia on the back actually for each player, which I forgot about. Mark Draper. Pedro. Look at that haircut. Peter Atherton. Hignett. Badge on the shoulder there, look. Check those curtains out. Big dunk. Savo Milosevic. Sunderland kid shiny. Sheringham shiny. Dean Holdsworth shiny. Some more Dons players here. Neil Ardley. John Goodman. Tim Breaker. Paulo Futre. That's a haircut and a half. Keith Rowland. Little West Ham. Mark Reaper. Dean Holdsworth. Very decent striker. Joking, yeah, get rid of that. Super Dons shiny. Kenny Cunningham. Ride Out. Mark Bright. Chef Wed. Darryl Powell, Derby County. And Wisey. Playmaker. Get rid of that. Last little box then. Cool little plastic cases they've sent me. There's about 100 cards here that they've sent me. Let's get into these. Bottom of a Sunderland player, international player, could be Niall Quinn, Steve Agnew, Mickey Gray shiny, Jerry Francis, oh check that hair out, Shipley, Mackems, Old Badge shiny, obviously this is 1997 collection, Spurs pony kit, just in Edinburgh, Alan Nielsen with his buttons all done up to the neck, Colin Calderwood, Sheringham, Hammers, Dagenham Motors pony kit, love it. Julian Dix, look at that kipper. Harry, is he wearing kit for his photograph? He is. Alan Nielsen overseas player sticker. Danny Williamson, Michael Hughes, the top of Darren Anderton, Ian Dowie, a lot of West Ham, Slaven Bilic shiny and Slaven Bilic regular sticker. Another Mark Reaper. John Moncur, Wimbledon, look at that badge, great badge. Brian McAllister, and the last sticker I've got sent today, Robbie Earl. So yeah, I won't reveal exactly why I've been sent these stickers. All I'll say is that I'm working on a little side project that involves these stickers, collecting these stickers, maybe some of these players. Hopefully all will be revealed soon. Love the nostalgia, love the design, love the 1990s full stop when it comes to football. These are from the 1997 sticker book, and I'm going to be working on something that involves these stickers, and I'll reveal all as soon as I can. You'll be the first to hear about it on my Twitter, on my Instagram, at Ketch Football, and here on YouTube. So thanks for watching. Hope that's brought back some nice memories. Just enjoy basking in the 1997 Premier League Merlin sticker book glory.